So, come on! The first pattern is 2-4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the sample song is Sit, Sirit, Sit, Alibamba.
Sit, sirit, sit, alibang-bang, sa lagintot, sa lagubang. Ang babae sa lansangan, kung gumiri parang tanda.
And the second pattern is 3-4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the example is Bahay Kubo.
Bahay kubo, kahit konti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mate, sitaw, bataw, patani.
And the third pattern is 4-4. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the example song is Lupang Hinirang.
The next rhythmic pattern is 2-4 time signature. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. An example song with time signature of 2-4 is Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was due to go.
And the fifth pattern is 4-4. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the example song is Magtanim ay di biro.
Magtanim ay di biro, maghapong nakayuko, di man lang makaupo, di man lang makatayo. Braso ko'y namamanhid, baywang ko'y nangangawit, hindi ko'y namimitig sa pagkababad sa tubig.
And the sixth pattern is 3-4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And the example song is Pilipinas Kong Mahal.
Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw, Pilipinas kong mahal. Ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyo'y ibibigay. Tungkulin ko'y gagampanan, na lagi kang paglingkuran. Ang laya mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas kong mahal.
And the last pattern is 4-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the example song is Leron Leron Sinta.
Leron, leron sinta, buko ng papaya, nagsisidla ng sinta.